Hello everyone, welcome to today's session in Coincept. Today we will be learning about VWAP and its various strategies for sideways market as well as in the trending market. Right? You must have used VWAP before, but today we will be using a different approach. But before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Coincept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that you can use for your trading. Also in the application, there is a learn section. So in the video library, we have made multiple videos for you. You can watch them. You can watch them in multiple languages as well. Right? At any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can directly go in the support and you will find our contact number and email ID, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Okay, let's start today's session, that is VWAP. Okay, now first of all, when we are using VWAP for the trading, so what VWAP actually means? Okay, so VWAP is the volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price. You must have used moving average before, right? In moving average, what we usually do, in moving average, we take the average of the candles. Like we can take the average, the average of the price of last 5 candles, 10 candles, 15 candles, 200 candles, and that is how we plot the moving average. But when we take volume into the consideration, at the time we use the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. Okay, what is the formula? So in VWAP, how we calculate the VWAP, right? So the formula is the cumulative price, you can say the cumulative or total price, the total price multiply by the volume, and in the denominator there is total volume. There is a total volume. So this is the formula of calculating the VWAP. You don't have to use that. Okay, this is just for the theory purpose, right? Now there will be different kinds of bands when we will use the VWAP, right? So for example, let me show you. Okay, when we will use VWAP, so there will be different lines. For example, there will be a blue line in the middle, that is your VWAP. Okay, and there will be two lines like upper band and lower band, right? The middle line is showing you the VWAP and the upper and the lower line are the average prices, right? We will use the blue line when the market is in sideways direction. ठीक है, तो जब market sideways में होगा, at that time this VWAP will give me a good indication of the market, right? कि कहाँ से वो reverse हो सकता है और from where the trend can retest or continue itself, right? If my market will be in the trending, ठीक है, up trend या down trend में है, at that time this lower, ये वाला और ये वाला जो मेरा रेंज है, that will give me the indication. ठीक है, तो वो मेरे को उस टाइम पे इंडिकेशन देगा. Okay, let's see how we can use it in the chart. So for that I have to open the Coincept web application. Okay, and here in the analyze we have to open the charts trade and order. Okay, now I have applied the bank nifty chart and I will use the time frame of 15 minutes to draw my VWAP, and then I will take the entry in 5 minutes time frame, right? So first of all, let me see what is the trend of the market here. Okay, so let's remove these lines here. Okay, I can see from this point to this point my market went in the upward direction, so this is a clear indication, right? Now how to use it? So for example, my market was here at this level, right? My market was here at this level. Now you can see it came down. Okay, it came down here, this was the lower point. Okay, then it made a high, so this was my higher point, then it again made a low, and then you can see this high was broken out. So it means now it is making new highs and the lows are not breaking. It means my market is in the uptrend. Okay, तो अगर मैं यहाँ तक होता या फिर मेरा मार्केट अभी यहीं तक होता, तो at that time I would have interpreted that now it is a uptrend. Okay, so I can plot my VWAP at this time. ठीक है, तो मैं अपना VWAP इस टाइम पे प्लॉट कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है, how can I do so? So you don't have to use the indicator here. Okay, you will be finding VWAP in indicator as well, but what we will do, we will use the VWAP of projection here. So here you can see in the projection section there is a anchored VWAP, right? So you have to use this. Now how you can apply your anchored VWAP? You just have to anchor it here at the lower point, right? At the lower point, or you can say the lower of this candle, right? So I have plotted it there. Now as all other indicator, we will not use VWAP alone, right? Because that can be sometime giving me a fake signals as well, right? So what we will use, we can use some support resistance, we can use some zones, or we can use some point of interest along with the VWAP, right? Now what I will do in 15 minutes time frame, I will make some zones, or you can say the point of interest. For that I have to see from where my market took a rejection, right? So for that I can see there is a point from where my market took a rejection. So for that I will take this level, and you can see this was the point. Okay, you can see this was the point from where my market took the rejection. Okay, so what I have done, my market was at this point, my market was at this point, and you can see it took a rejection here. Okay, when it broke this zone, it went further in the downward direction, then again it went upward and it took a resistance here, it took a support here, then it went upward, and you can clearly see my market was taking support again and again, right? Now you can see my market was in uptrend, but at this time it was in the sideways. इस टाइम पे करीबन इस टाइम फ्रेम में वो साइडवेज डायरेक्शन में था, राइट? तो मैंने यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर दिया चेंज ऑफ ब्रेक यहाँ पे। अब मैंने आपको बोला था कि यहाँ पे क्या हो गया कि इसने इस हाई को ब्रेक किया, तो यहाँ पे इस वाले हाई को ब्रेक किया, तो मेरा चेंज ऑफ करेक्टर यहाँ पे हो गया। इट मींस माय मार्केट इज इन अप ट्रेंड, तो मैंने उस टाइम पे वीवैप को लगा दिया। नाउ एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, ठीक है, अगर मेरा मार्केट क्या करेगा, अगर मेरा मार्केट जस्ट अ सेकेंड, ठीक है, अगर मेरा मार्केट, इफ माय मार्केट टेक अ सपोर्ट at this zone and at the same time it is also taking support at this blue line of VWAP, right? So it is taking multiple support. The first confirmation is from the VWAP and the second confirmation is from that zone, that is my point of interest, right? So there is a multiple support. That means this point is very valid point for me, and now I can make a trade in the bullish direction because my market will be moving in the upward direction, ठीक है? क्योंकि I have already analyzed this is my uptrend, I am just finding a good support. There is a combination of this zone as well as of this blue line, so at that time I will initiate my trade. कब initiate कर सकता हूं, ठीक है? So you can see if I will just change the time frame. So for the entry I will change the time frame, just a second. For the entry I will change the time frame to 5 minutes. Okay, I will change the time frame to 5 minutes, and let me see where I was. So you can see I was here at this point of time, right? So I have applied the 5 minutes time frame to take the entry. Now you can see my market, it came here. You can see my market came here, and when it came here, so for the entry what I am using a candlestick pattern, and you can see there was a hammer created. There was this type of candle was created here. So this could be my entry point. I could have marked the high of this candle as my entry point. Okay, in 5 minutes time frame you can see, ठीक है, and then I got a very good movement in the upward direction. So it is approximately you can see 1:3 और 1:4 का risk reward ratio easily आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? For the stop loss, what can I do? I can just place my stop loss below this zone. Okay, I can use some leverage. अगर मेरा जो ये नीचे वाली लाइन है, if it is at 240, so I can use 238 as my stop loss, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे leverage देके, right? ओके, तो यहां पे भी आपको दिखा अ गुड मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड, देन अगेन आफ्टर सम टाइम माय मार्केट अगेन केम एट दिस लेवल, यहां पे आया, ओके, एंड यू कैन सी अगेन इट वेंट अपवर्ड, तो यहां पे तो गैप अप हो गया था, ठीक है? और उसके बाद लेट्स सी और कहां पे मेरे को रीडिंग मिल रही है, एंड देन यू कैन सी माय मार्केट वेंट इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, सी, ओके? नाउ अब जब मेरा मार्केट, व्हेन माय मार्केट इज इन ट्रेंडिंग, सो आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर, व्हेन माय मार्केट इज इन साइडवेज एट दैट टाइम आई विल यूज ब्लू लाइन एज माय सपोर्ट. व्हेन माय मार्केट इज इन ट्रेंडिंग एट दैट टाइम आई विल यूज दिस लाइन, द अपर बैंड और लोअर बैंड एज माय सपोर्ट. सो अब मेरा मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग में, सो एट दैट टाइम आई कैन यूज द अपर बैंड एज माय सपोर्ट. सो अगेन फॉर द अपर बैंड आई विल मेक अ जोन हियर. तो यू कैन सी माय मार्केट टुक अ, my market was taking rejection at this point of time. Okay, so at this point of time it was taking rejection again and again, ठीक है? It took rejection here as well, it took rejection here as well. Now when it took rejection here at this point of time, ठीक है, यहां पे जब रिजेक्शन लिया, so it is a combination of the upper band as well as of the zone, ठीक है? So this was the point of time where I can initiate my entry again, ठीक है, in the trending market. Similarly my market was taking rejection here at this point, so I made a zone here. Okay, then it took a rejection again here. So मैं इसको अपना zone बना लेता हूँ. Just a second, let me make a perfect zone for entry first. ठीक है, तो what I will do, this was the zone. अब zone कैसे बनाया? So this is the body. ठीक है, you can see from the body of the lowermost candle I made this zone. Okay, now in those zone, whenever my candle will take the support, ठीक है, दोनों का सपोर्ट एक साथ लेगी, सो यू कैन सी देयर वाज द सपोर्ट. ठीक है, माय मार्केट टुक अ सपोर्ट ऑफ दिस जोन एज वेल एज ऑफ दिस वीवैप लाइन का, एंड देयर वाज अ गुड हैमर क्रिएटेड. सो एट द टाइम मैं फिर से यहाँ पे अपनी पोजीशन एंट्री बना सकता था ऊपर के लिए. ठीक है, और उसके बाद अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करूं, यू कैन सी माय मार्केट वाज टेकिंग rejection again and again from this zone. So again my market came here. Okay, और यहां से it took a support again इस zone का भी और VWAP का भी इसने support लिया, and then with a good candle, ठीक है, there is a good candle, you can say a bullish engulfing और मारूबोजू candle यहाँ पे मिली. So with the high, ठीक है, I can mark the high of that candle and I can make a entry and you can see a good movement in the upward direction here. Right? Similarly, if my market is in downtrend, ठीक है, let's see. So I will remove this. I will remove this VWAP first. I will remove all the zones. Okay, now let's see if my market is in downtrend, how can I make the entry. So here you can see again I will apply the 15 minutes time frame for marking my VWAP. Okay, so this is my 15 minutes time frame. Now in the 15 minutes time frame, let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, then we will start. So yeah, so you can see in 15-minute time frame my market made a high at this point. My market is making a high at this point, so this was my higher point. Okay, and then this was my lower point, and then my market kept on breaking this lower point. Okay, so you can see clearly this is a change of character. Now my market was in uptrend before. Okay, but now from here it is breaking the lower region, or you can say the swing low. So it means now there is a downtrend that is being started. Right, so what I will do, I will again choose the VWAP from here. Not VWAP, but you can say the anchored VWAP. Okay, so I will choose the anchored VWAP. I will place my anchored VWAP at the highest point here. Okay, and I will create a VWAP. Right, now for the entry, what I'll do, I will make some zones first and then we will take the entry. So for the entry I will make 5 minutes time frame. I have selected 5 minutes time frame. Let's see how we can make entry here. So you can see clearly my market is in trending in downward direction. So I have told you when my market is trending in downward direction, at that time I will not use the blue line but this one line, the lower region, क्योंकि अभी डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड में तो मैं लोअर पार्ट को वो करूंगा, ठीक है, ट्रेड करूंगा. तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूं, first of all I have to make the zones from where my market is taking rejections again and again. So I can make a point here. Okay, at this point of time my market was taking rejection, you can say multiple rejection. So my market took a rejection at this point, ठीक है, it took a rejection at this point. So what I'll do, मैं यहाँ से मार्क कर सकता हूँ again, my market came here and you can see there is a combination of this band, the lower band and the zone. So at that time with a good candle, आपको यहाँ पे एक अच्छी red candle मिली, you could have initiated your entry in the downward direction. ठीक है, similarly कहीं पे भी आपको मिलता है ऐसा point, for example again मैं इस zone को अगर यहाँ पे रखूँ, so my market was taking support at this point, break हुआ, अच्छा movement मिला, again it came upward and this is the combination of your lower band as well as the zone. So again मेरे को यहाँ से with a good candle I can make my entry और यहाँ से मेरे को एक अच्छा खासा movement मिला है. Okay, और जब आपका market for example right now you can see my market is in sideways direction, my market is in sideways direction, ठीक है, तो मैं अपना zone यहाँ पे बना सकता हूँ. Right, why? Because my market was taking support here. Right now the bank nifty is in, अभी बैंक निफ्टी चल रहा है, ठीक है, 12:12 हो रहे हैं. सो यू कैन सी सपोर्ट बन रहा था, ब्रेक हुआ, अच्छा मूवमेंट मिला, इट मींस दिस इज माय जोन एंड साइडवेज मार्केट है. अभी मेरा ये मार्केट जो है दिस इज इन साइडवेज डायरेक्शन, ठीक है, तो यू कैन सी इन साइडवेज डायरेक्शन अगेन माय मार्केट इज टेकिंग रिजेक्शन फ्रॉम दिस ब्लू लाइन, क्योंकि मार्केट साइडवेज में, आई विल टेक द ब्लू लाइन, ठीक है, तो ब्लू लाइन एंड जोन पे रिजेक्शन ले रहा है. यू कैन सी अगेन इट इज कमिंग डाउनवर्ड विद अ गुड कैंडल. आई कैन इनिशिएट माय एंट्री. इस टाइम पे मैं अपनी एंट्री बना सकता था और मेरे को अच्छा खासा यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट भी होता. राइट, सो आई होप द कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. व्हेन द मार्केट इज ट्रेंडिंग देन यू हैव टू टेक द हेल्प ऑफ the upper band and the lower band की, you have to take the help of upper band and lower band, these two lines, ठीक है. and with a combination of a good zone, you can say, or point of interest or support and resistance. When the market is in sideways direction like this, at that time you have to take the help of the VWAP line, the line which is in the middle, with the combination of good zone, support and resistance, और जहां पे आपको इन दोनों का combination मिल जाएगा, that will be the point of time where you will take the entry with a good confirmation of a good candlestick pattern, and from there you will get a good trade in your ट्रेडिंग. ठीक है, तो आप चाहे इंट्राडे ट्रेड करते हैं, इधर यू आर गोइंग फॉर द पोजिशनल ट्रेड, यू कैन अप्लाई दिस स्ट्रैटेजी. दिस इज द VWAP स्ट्रैटेजी दैट नो वन, अभी तक शायद मुझे लगता नहीं आपको किसी ने बताया होगा. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको मजा आया, आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं अपनी ट्रेडिंग में. अगर आपको बेनिफिट होता है, मजे करो. और दूसरी चीज, इफ यू आर न्यू टू द वीडियो, यू कैन शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. यू कैन लाइक द वीडियो, यू कैन शेयर योर व्यूज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज योर ट्रेनर अंकित सिंह रावत. हैव अ गुड डे.